This is a train station, the world's largest, built in 38 months, on a mountain. 2 million cubic meters of concrete, 366,000 tons of steel, 40,000 workers. Most countries take longer than 38 months to approve a planning application. China built this.
41 meters tall, shaped like the city tree of Chongqing, covered in 1,200 stainless steel scales.
Before the first column, workers cut an entire mountain flat. The station never sat on flat land. Grand Central, 6 times smaller. Europe's largest, 15 times smaller. Over 400 meters per platform. The trains here are longer than the Eiffel Tower is tall. April 2022. This is what the site looked like. A mountain slope, 20 kilometers from Chongqing city center. The 8D city. Roads above your head, trains through apartment blocks. This is where they chose to build it. A train through a building. Normal in Chongqing. That tells you everything about the city that built Chongqing East. April 2022. The machines moved in. Step 1. Cut a mountain flat. Every meter of slope mapped in 3D before a single cut was made. The earthwork alone took months. The rock under Chongqing is hard. The machines ran around the clock. Some sections needed blasting, controlled explosions. The mountain didn't give up its rock easily.
One of the largest single-site excavations in Chinese construction history. Millions of cubic meters removed, all of it for a flat platform.
Once cut, the cut face had to be held, retaining walls along the full perimeter. The mountain wants its space back. Every drop falling on the mountain above flows through to the site. Without drainage, the foundation sits on saturated ground. Excavation, blasting, retaining walls, drainage, a flat platform on a mountain. Now the real construction begins. Before the first pile, the ground is tested. No assumptions on a mountain site. The site preparation is done. The mountain is flat. The drainage is in. The ground is tested. Now, the foundation. Piles through the surface into bedrock. Every floor, every ton, transfers its load through these piles into the mountain. Hundreds of piles, multiple rigs working simultaneously. The foundation is not one pile, it's a forest. Rebar cage before concrete. Without it, the pile has only compressive strength, half what's needed. Concrete poured bottom up through a tremie pipe. Pour from the top, the aggregate sinks, the pile is weak. Every pile load tested. A failure here, far cheaper to fix than under a completed building. June 27, 2025. Blueprint to operating station, 38 months. Opening day, the concourse full, the flow working, the escalators running, the trains departing. An airport desk inside a train station. Your bag goes to the airport, you board a train, live for the first time. 8 floors, everyone working, every mode connected, all running for the first time. After the last train, crews on 29 tracks, every night. At 350 kilometers per hour, maintenance is not optional.
The columns, the roof, the tracks, the metro, the glass wall. Every construction challenge POW, working right now.
3 months in, 16,000 passengers per hour, running exactly as modeled. 1,200 scales per column, each at a different angle. The column changes all day. That was designed. The cranes that built the station moved to build the district around it. Station first, city follows. 38 months ago, this was a mountain slope. Passengers don't think about that. They just know this is where the train stops. 6 months in, every connection checked. The conclusion? Better than the most optimistic projections. 1.22 million square meters, 8 floors. 41-meter tree columns, 16,500-ton roof, built on a mountain slope in Chongqing. In 38 months, 120,000 square meters of roof, skylights bringing in the Chongqing sky.
Piles into bedrock, 8 floors, columns, roof slid into position, metro tunneled in, opening exactly on time. That is Chongqing East.
metro underground to high-speed concourse. 1 escalator. Tunneled in while 8 floors were built above it. 57 meters from floor to roof. 8 floors connecting an entire city. 40,000 workers, 38 months. Passengers don't think about that. That's exactly right. Blueprint, April 2022. Opening, June 27th, 2025. 38 months. The world's largest train station. On a mountain in Chongqing. Welcome to Chongqing East.